Hello children, how are you? All are fine? Okay. Still now you enjoyed your holidays? Yes. Till after you concentrate in your studies, okay ma? Now you are which standard? 4th standard no? Okay. Till after you concentrate your studies. I am English teacher. My name is R. Logeshwari. Okay. Now we see the class. First we see about zero lesson. Okay. Okay children, first you see rules of rearranging the words correctly. First one what? Rearranging the words correctly. They are given in this Roman no? Yes. Rearranging the words correctly. So this is a rule. So this is the format. This is this format. Okay. This is the rule. Okay. First one subject. First place. The sentence having first place subject, next helping verb, next main verb. What are the helping verb? What are the helping verb? Is, or, was, were, can, has, have, then etc. These are called helping verb no? Yes. Okay, do you know this one? Helping verb. Am, is, are, was, were, can, has, have. These are called helping verb. Okay, first one subject. First place எப்படி இருக்கும் subject. Second one helping verb. Third one main verb. Okay, main verb means what? Action word. Main verb means what? Action word. Go, run, read, write. These are called main verb no? Yes. First one subject, second one helping verb, the next is the main verb, remaining are the object others. Okay, that is a format. This is a format of the rearranging the words to complete sentence. Okay, இந்த sentence வந்து complete write பண்றதுக்கு இதுதான் rules. First placeல sentence ஓட first placeல subject இருக்கணும். Subject may be noun or pronoun. Subject may be noun or pronoun. Noun இருக்கலாம், pronoun இருக்கலாம். Okay, you know noun. Noun means what? Naming words no? Yes, noun means naming words. Pronoun means what? Pronoun means instead of a noun. Pronoun means what? Instead of a noun. He, she, it, we, you, they. These are called pronoun no? Yes. Subject ஆவும் இருக்கலாம். Subject means noun ஆவும் இருக்கலாம், pronoun ஆவும் இருக்கலாம். Okay, next one helping verb. Helping verb means this is am, is, are, was, were. These are called helping verb. Main verb is just now I told no? Yes, go, run, read, write. These are called main verb. Some sentence having that not a helping verb. Main verb மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். Some sentence helping verb இருக்காது, main verb மட்டும் இருக்கும். So how do you write? Subject plus main verb. Subject க்கு அப்புறம் direct main verb write பண்ணி remaining sentence write பண்ணலாம். Okay வா? Now you understand the rules of rearranging the words. Okay. Now you see some examples. Listen children, again I say subject means pronoun or noun. Subject place la vandu pronoun varalam, noun varalam. Okay, these are pronoun means I, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are pronoun. Noun means naming words. What do you mean naming words? Naming words means name of a person, place, animal. Things are called naming word no? Yes, that is called noun. So subject place la pronoun varalam, noun varalam. So this is the first one. ஒரு sentence எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா first place la என்ன இருக்கும்? ஒரு pronoun இருக்கணும், இல்லாட்டி noun இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? This is the first rule. Next one helping verb. Helping verb இல்லைன்னா main verb இருந்துச்சுன்னா main verb நம்ம write பண்ணிக்கலாம். Helping verb just now I told am, is, are. Next main verb also. Okay. Okay children, now we see some examples. Okay, first one come, I, sat, in, may. Okay, what is the subject here? What is the pronoun here? I pronoun here. Then may also here, may also subject. Okay, may I come in, sir. May I come in, sir. Okay, how do you write? May I come in, sir. This is a subject place. This is subject. Okay, may I is the subject. Next main verb. These are object and others. Okay, this is subject place. This is subject. May I subject. Come main verb. In, sir, object or others. Okay, others. Okay, this is the rule. May subject come main verb in object place. Okay children, next you see next sentence. Father a farmer, my is. Okay, father a farmer, my is. What is the main verb? What is the actual subject here? What is the subject here? My, no. So my, first one my. So first letter you must be you must write capital letter. Okay, for all sentence you must write first letter in capital letter. எப்போதுமே sentence ஓட first letter எப்போது எப்படி இருக்கணும்? கேபிட்டலில் இருக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் நவுன். நவுன் எந்த பிளேஸில் வந்தாலும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் ஆர் மிடில் பிளேஸ் ஆர் லாஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் எந்த பிளேஸில் வந்தாலும் ஒரு நவுன் மீன்ஸ் நேம் பர்சன் நேம் எந்த பிளேஸில் வந்தாலும் தட் ஆல்சோ ரைட் இன் கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர் இன் கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர். ஓகே, ஸோ சென்டென்ஸோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர் கேபிட்டல் லெட்டரில் தான் இருக்கணும். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த சப்ஜெக்ட் ஹியர்? மை. ஸோ my, my. Next one, what is the verb here? What is the helping verb here? Yes. What is the helping verb here? Yes. Sorry. Next one, what is the my father. My father. This also subject. What is the subject here? My father. My mattu pronoun. Next, father is also noun. No. Yes, father is also noun. Okay, name of person. Okay, person. So my father. So my father is a subject. What is the helping verb here? Is. Next one, yeah, farmer. Listen here. My father. My father is a subject. Next is helping verb. Next this one, others are object. Okay, my father here. My father subject place. Next is helping verb, others. Okay, this is the rule of the rearranging the words. Next you see next sentence. Okay children, next you see next sentence. Hobby, my, games, playing is. Okay, next one, what is the subject here? My hobby. My hobby. Hobby means what? பொழுதுபோக்கு. You know? Yes, my hobby. This is a subject. என்னுடைய பொழுதுபோக்கு. So my means that is a not meaning. No. So என்னுடைய எது என்னுடைய. Okay, so அது வந்து மீனிங் இருக்குது இல்லையா? ஸோ மை ஹாபி அப்படின்னா தான் மீனிங். ஹியர் ஆல்சோ மை ஃபாதர் அப்படின்னா தான் மீனிங் இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் சப்ஜெக்ட். திஸ் ஆல்சோ சப்ஜெக்ட். மை ஹாபி. நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் இஸ் த ஹெல்பிங் verb here? Yes. Yes. Next one, what is the main verb here? What is the main verb here? Playing. Next one, others what? Games. Okay, my hobby is playing games. My hobby is playing games. This also subject. This one subject. This one helping verb. This one main verb. These are object. Okay, now all are understand. My hobby is playing games. Okay children, next one you see. East, in, the, sun, the, rises. Okay, what is the subject here? The sun. What is the subject here? The sun. Okay, this is a noun. No. Yes, the sun. So you write first letter in capital. Second, sun also you write yes letter capital. Okay, this is a noun. No. So yes, you write in capital the sun. Next one, what is the helping verb here? This sentence having helping verb? Yes or no? No, the sentence not having helping verb. In the sentence helping verb illa. So what is the main verb here? Main verb irukka. The sentence having main verb? Yes, rises is the main verb. The sun rises. Next one, in the east. Okay, this is subject, this is main verb, these are others. Okay, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Okay children, next you see. Goes Raju school to buy bus by. Goes Raju school to bus by. Okay, what is the subject here? What is the subject? Is this sentence having noun or pronoun? Noun. What is the noun here? Raju. So this also subject. Raju is a subject. Raju, what is the helping verb here? This sentence having helping verb am, is, or was, were, has, have? No. What is the main verb? So next you see main verb. The sentence having main verb here. Yes. What is the main verb? Goes. Next one. What is the object? Raju goes. Raju போவான். எப்படி goes? எங்க? To. Next, school. Okay, Raju goes to school. This is the correct form of the sentence. No, this is a one meaning. Raju goes to school. Raju school ku போவான். எதுல? By goes to school by bus. எதுல போவான்? Busல போவான். Okay, so this is the correct form of the sentence. This is a complete sentence. Raju goes to school by bus. Raju school ku போவான். This is a subject. This is main verb. These are others. So others means you others எப்படி வேணா ரைட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸோ ரைட் பண்ண ஒரு மீனிங் இருக்கணும். ஓகே, டு ஸ்கூல் பை பஸ். ஸ்கூல் போவான். எப்படி போவான்? பஸ்ஸில் போவான். ஸோ திஸ் ஆர் கால் this is rules of rearranging the sentence, rearranging the words. Okay, to make rearranging words to make sentences. Okay, Raju goes to school by bus. Okay, now all are understand? Okay children, next we see your book exercise. Okay, first zero lesson, first page 81. First sentence, complete the dialogue by rearranging the words correctly. One has been done for you. They done one sentence. No, yes. Sunday time, what do get you up on? They given answer, what time do get up on Sundays? Okay, they given what? What means also question word. What means also question? What are the question words? What, who, where, how, which, when. Okay, these are what? Question words. These are called question words. These are called question words. What is your name? Where are you going? Okay, how are you? When do you sleep? Okay, these are called question words. So there's one sentence having question words means that also first they come with first place. Okay, ஒரு சென்டென்ஸில் கொஷின் வேர்டு இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது ஃபஸ்ட்டில் வரும். ஓகேவா? சம்டைம் ஃபஸ்ட்டில் வரலாம். சென்டென்ஸ்க்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம மாற்றி ரைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, மேக்ஸிமம் சென்டென்ஸில் கொஷின் வேர்டு இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டில் கொஷின் வேர்டு தான் வரும். ஓகேவா? திஸ் ஆர் கொஷின் வேர்ட்ஸ். வாட், who, where, how, which, when. These are called question words. Okay, so they give an answer. What time do you get up on Sundays? You see your book. What time do you get up on Sundays? Okay, they give an answer also. Okay, next sentence will be see. First one, you breakfast, what do have for? You breakfast, what do have for? So now we we write first one question word. So first என்ன ரைட் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்கேன்? question word. What? Next one என்ன பண்ணிருக்கா? You breakfast. Next one helping verb. What is the helping verb here? Do have. Do have. Okay, helping verb do. Next, what is the subject here? You. What do you? Next one helping verb have for breakfast. What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast? This is the right form of the sentence. What do you have for breakfast? Okay, here question word what do. என்ன செய்வ? Okay, what do. You use a subject means pronoun. Have helping verb. These are others. So what do you have for breakfast? Okay, next we see second sentence. Okay children, next sentence you see. One is to listen here. first two sentence only I will give explain for you. Okay, remaining I will give homework for you. Okay, first one, morning you in do the what do. Morning you in do the what do. So what I told, what is the help, what is the question word here, what is the question word here? So first we will write what. Okay, so first sentence, first letter capital letter means, so what, WHAT, what. Next one, what do. Next one, helping verb, main subject. Okay, what do you, what is the subject here? You, use the pronoun, no? Yes, what do you do? Here also do. What do you do? நீ என்ன செய்வ? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? Okay, what do you do in the morning? What is the question word? What do you, subject, do in the, do helping verb in the morning. Okay, what this is subject place, what do subject, you subject pronoun, do helping verb in the morning. What do you do in the morning? In morning enna seiva, what do you do in the morning? Okay children, now all are understand rearranging the sentences. Remaining 3 sentences having, no? Yes, these are I will give homework for you. Okay, tomorrow homework, this remaining 3 sentences you will give, I will give homework for you. Okay. Okay children, all are understand the today's class. Okay, what we see today, rearranging the words, no? So what is the rules of this make sentences, rearranging the words of make sentences. So first place subject, second one helping verb, next one main verb, plus remaining objects are others. Okay, the sentence not having helping verb means you write main verb, not having helping verb means you write main verb, you see main verb. Okay, first sentence first subject irukunu, next helping verb or main appo main verb irukunu. The sentence la helping verb illana neenga main verb write panikalam. Okay va, now all are understand. Okay, remaining we will be see next class. Thank you.